Bismillah Rahman Rahim. Today we're going to be making Dhaba style chana dal, and here we have our spices: black seed, turmeric powder, cumin, and black pepper. All three of these are quarter teaspoon. Next we have paprika, coriander powder, and curry powder, 1 teaspoon. In the middle we have salt, 1 teaspoon. Here we have 1 tablespoon of ginger and garlic paste with green chili peppers. Here we have 2 pureed tomatoes, and here we have 1 big diced onion. And we're going to be using butter clarified oil. Bismillah Rahman Rahim. Okay, so now we have turned on the flame. We're putting the pot, and we're going to add butter, clarified butter, 2, 3, 4, next we're adding onions, the 1 big diced onion, stir a little bit. Okay, next we added in ginger and the garlic paste with green chili peppers. Next we are adding the tomato puree, which was 2 tomatoes. Note these tomatoes are with skin taken off, peeled tomatoes. Okay, next we're adding in the spices, which were, remember, coriander, black seed, turmeric powder, coriander, paprika, and curry powder with black pepper. Okay, so let's put those in. This is going to give us a great flavor to the dal. Okay, after 2 minutes of tomato, when we added this in the masala, we're going to be adding in the dal, which has been soaked and boiled for 20 minutes. Okay, we're gently stirring it. Because the dal has been already boiled before for 20 minutes, we're going to be adding 200 milliliters of water. Okay, we added the water. We're going to cover it with the lid. And we're putting on the lid, and we're going to let it cook for another 20 minutes with a medium-low flame of this. Okay? Okay, now our dal is ready. So okay, now the dal is ready. You could see that the consistency is like this, that's what we want. And then we're going to move on to the next step. Okay, So now this is our second step, as I mentioned before. We're going to be putting around 5 tablespoons of clarified butter oil here, and this is what we call in Pakistani baghar. Next, we are adding in the half chopped sliced onions. We're going to stir fry it till it becomes pink. Okay, next, we've seen that the onion has become pink. We're adding in the garlic, the bay leaf with all the other cumin seeds, and we see that this has become red. We're going to close it because otherwise it's going to burn. We don't want it to be burned. Okay, next we're adding it to the dal. Okay. Now you could see that it is done. We have put the baghar on it with it. So it's all done. I hope you have enjoyed watching this video. Our Dhaba style chana dal is ready. You could also call it fried dal. It's actually yellow split lentils. It's going to garnish now with coriander, sliced ginger, and garam masala is a little bit added on it to give a nice flavor to it. Please try it, like it, subscribe to my channel, and Allah Hafiz, Ma Salama.